Very, very important for you to pay attention to that. Sometimes the child will close their ears when they hear certain sounds or music. That means that they don't like that sound or music. Some children will run away and hide. Some children will make noises and hum back and forth. Some of them can become very aggressive and want to fight or even hit you or scratch you on your face. It's not that they're trying to be mean. It's just that they cannot handle the sound that they're hearing. That's the reason why they're closing their ears. So when you see those signs, those are really very key signs for you to pay attention to, so that way you can get help.